And look at this. This box is the accessory box that came inside the box for my Bridgestone Kabuki 1981 bike. And it's still sealed, never opened. Isn't that crazy? So I figure I'd make a little video of it, of me opening it. Might as well use a really cool knife. Stainless steel Damascus knife with a 5-inch blade. 5.5-inch blade. Let's see. So, 22 years old? No, 42 years old. 42 years old. 41 years old, something like that. 41 years old, this box. Let's see what's in it. Oh my God. Wow, look at this stuff. Very cool, right? Look at that. Awesome stuff. This is what I wanted to look at. The manual. Look at that. Yeah. Very cool. I never had this on my other bike. Never had the manual on the other bike because I bought that bike used. I didn't buy it new. Both of them. Very cool. This is sealed too. There it is. I really wanted to look at the manual, look at the tire sizes. I wasn't really sure which size tire it is. Wow, look at this. Amazing. And here's the seat. Very generic, looks like to me, right? Araki or something? Araki? I don't know how you pronounce that. A-R-I-A-K-E. Nylon. I'm definitely going to put a different seat on the bike. This doesn't look like anything special to me. All right, awesome, cool. Little seat post. Sweet, and kickstand. And look at that nut. That thing is rusted. That thing needed some grease on it, huh? Some little tiny spring here by itself. Oh, these are the end of the handlebars, right? Yeah, those are the end of the handlebars, I believe. And I don't know what this little spring is for. There's a little spring and 2 little set screws or something. Wow, amazing. Awesome. All right, cool. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Here it is again. This is what I wanted to really check out. Because I really don't know what the tire sizes are, and I wanted to look them up. Because I'm probably going to order some new tires. Pretty funky, right? All right, cool.